We realized that we'd be spending a lot of money on machine work for the other engine, so we started looking for a new one. Then, somehow, we found this aluminum 5.3 for only $400. Unfortunately, one of the valve covers are broken, but it should be pretty easy to find a new one. Also, the bolt holes for the AC are broken off, but since it's aluminum, we should be able to just put a steel bolt in and cover it with weld. Right now, we are going to take the spark plugs, wires, coils, valve covers, injectors, engine mounts, intake, and exhaust off to get a better look at the engine. After taking the intake off and vacuuming, we can see that there's barely any carbon buildup. This is a really good sign. These are the broken off bolt holes for the AC and engine mounts that I mentioned earlier. After taking off the windage tray, we can see that the cylinder walls look amazing. Now I'm going to take off all of the rocker arms. I actually broke the adapter, so I'm going to have to use the smaller ratchet for this. Keep in mind, we didn't clean this at all. It was already this spotless. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. See you guys next time.